If you want to organize the apps screen or the app drawer on the Samsung Galaxy S26, what you can do is you can of course just press and hold your finger on the app for which you want to change the position, just like that, and then we can drag it around and place it in an empty space. For example, if you have like an empty space on one of these pages, then of course we should be able to move it around. Besides that, apps can be added into a folder, like for example over here. And to do so, we need to select the first app. So you want to press and hold our finger and tap on select on the app that you want to add in a folder. Of course, we can keep adding more apps just by tapping on them now, and we have the create folder option in here. And there we go, the folder has been created. We can set up the name as well, and we can organize our app screen just like that. Of course, folders can also be dragged around as well. You can place them in any place you want them to be. And if you tap at these three dots in the bottom right corner where we have the search field, you can also change the sorting from custom order to alphabetical order. This also allows you to have a single page where you can scroll up and down. Even we have the instruction, as you can see over here. We can of course revert that back to the pages if you want to. We can clean up pages to get rid of empty spaces on these pages in the app drawer. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.